It's still October 27th, Sunday. I got a little bit nicer out. Sun came out. Probably 55 degrees right now, maybe 58. But got a little bug underneath my butt to just start the truck for the first time in 7 months. So I don't know. Figure I'd give it a shot. It may not run, but we'll see what happens. So I got the fuel tank here. I got the batteries on the charger in the shop. Everything is still disconnected. I mean, all the leads are just hanging here. The intake is still covered up with duct tape, so nothing gets in it, like birds and stuff. So I like how it's duct taped up, so I'm just going to take this off and maybe just take this boot off here and just let it breathe in some fresh air for a little bit. See how it runs, see what it does. But that's my plan. I don't know, just need that little bit of motivation to just hear it run one more time, get excited, and start digging into it again. I've been doing pretty much everything I could do every second I can, but I'm at the point where I just want to hear it run or see it move or something. It ain't gonna move, I'll tell you that. I need a custom drive shaft made, and air lines need to all be picked up, but just want to hear it, just want to see it, something. I want to hear the buzzer come on. The exhaust is right there, so it's gonna blow right into the cab, but I don't care. I just don't care. I just want to hear it run. That's all I want to do. Hear it run. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, all the electrical's kind of hanging out. So I might not even have the right wiring for it, but at least I'm trying. I guess that's all you can do. Here we go. Getting something. Sign of smoke. Damn it. Oh well, I'll take it. That was freaking sweet. What we got? We up? Heck yeah. It's running. This truck is running. Oh my god, am I so excited. take that. That's a good start. Wow, is that awesome. About it for today. It's running. I kind of had a 50-50 feeling it was gonna or wasn't gonna. Couldn't tell you if it was gonna run or not run. I didn't know how I wired it up or if I did anything right. Maybe there's a wire I forgot. But anyhow, that's pretty freaking cool. Pretty cool. Alright, time to shut it off and wrap all this back up. And that's that. All done. Cool. 2 videos, same day. I'll take it. I'm like an excited little kid in a candy store right now. That's all I needed. I should be good for about another 7 months. Alright, 7 weeks. I'll lose interest pretty quick again. But it runs, so I'm going to try and get these airlines figured out here. See what we can do with it. I have them all labeled still. So that's what's next. I know some of you had faith it wasn't going to run. You're like, watch this.